Let's see what she sent now. What is it?
I didn't send anything. So these changes that you are showing to me in the drawing is coming from Andrea, or is it your ideas?
This is, well, I talked to her this morning. So we need to make it look a little bit more ornate, right?
More?
So what I'm saying to you is very simple. On the top,
Share your screen.
I will when I'm ready.
No, I cannot see it.
I will when I'm ready. Hold on.
Okay.
I had to click off.
Sorry, I'm just fixing my headset. I'm not able to hear it from properly. Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yep, I can see it now.
You see it's moving?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So this is not the appropriate logo. You know that.
Okay, the logo that I got from them was actually really blur. So I had to fix it myself to get into this position. But anyways, I got the EPS file now. I would be taking the logo.
So you shouldn't have to fix anything.
Yes.
Okay, nice and big, a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger. Drop the words down a bit. And then this should be
a brush font.
Right, but in a very cool, like dark silver black kind of a color, you know?
Okay.
Because purple's not working, bro. Then we can drop these three. This container should be centered in the middle, right?
Mm-hmm. 3 and then 2.
3, then 2, and then this font should again be the same color, mix, match, right?
Mm-hmm.
We should, and if you look at my picture, I have the littler version of the logo down here next to the bottom two. CBD right here should be the last one, right? So you should have these 3.
So it should be the Suckets logo or CBD logo. What's the CBD logo?
Not a CDB logo, the Suckets logo. Like this little thing here should be down here next to these 2.
Okay.
And then this is just a simple, just a paintbrush little font, you know, very easy to do, get, you know that. Just a simple black and gray, you know, like the same color pattern that you're using with the font here, right? Same color. Like just an extended S that's reversed on either side, so it kind of has a little bit of flair to it. So it kicks off this side a bit. So it'll start from here and just kind of just do one of these things. I don't care if it's an S or just a squiggly line on either side that has a little, you know, paintbrush flair to it, you know, little, as she likes to say, the avant-garde, you know, so that it kind of comes together and matches with some of the imagery, right? So black silverish black coloring, I think, would be much more defined on this.
What's avant-garde again?
Say that again.
What's avant-garde?
Avant-garde is a flair of art, artistic. Just like the logo is a flair of paintbrushing, avant-garde. Just like the pictures you choose, they're avant-garde. Actually, if you don't know that, that's kind of what you picked.
How do you spell that?
AVANT space GARDE.
AVA.
Here, I'll do it right here. Can you see my screen still?
Yep. Okay, avant-garde. Okay.
See how you have the pictures like this already. Do you get where I'm coming from? Very artsy, very flary. You know, some black and whitish. You know, the very font that I want to use. You know, the cool look. I think, you know, we have the right imagery for it. I mean, obviously we have some girl in sexy underwear, which I don't know if that's going to really fly.
She will love it.
Yeah, you can put that as a screensaver if you feel like you need to. But yeah, this is avant-garde with color, but I mean, honestly, even, you know, I know the image has the background. Is this a background with an image you put over it, or is this just the image you grabbed? The whole thing is an image.
Yeah, It's not dynamic. It's a complete banner that a designer made.
Oh, okay. So the color is just there, is what you're telling me.
No, we did pink. Like actually, this was I guess gray in the background. We did it like a little pink, purplish, just to make sure that she likes it.
Okay.
To match the color of that lollipop she's sucking.
Um,
She wants a different color.
I'm just speaking to you on what avant-garde is, and it's very clean. You know, like look for instance. I like it. I don't want you changing all this shit. All I want is the bigger logo, the nice clean one. Change the color and the font. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Make it look cool.
Mm-hmm.
Put a little flare to the side of this container, on the
Gotcha.
sides, just to make it cool. These all make them a lot smaller. They're too big. Let's just make the container smaller, fitting where you have the width of the container that kind of comes to the center. You know what I mean? And
It's
then
nice
these
lollipop. Why are we making this smaller?
it's dude, this is not, man. I'm giving you, trust me. I'm on the phone with clients every day about designing. Not gonna this is not this is not good. It doesn't look good. Doesn't It pops up way too big on mobile because they're too big. It pops up bad on here and any of my other screens. The header doesn't even match down on here because it goes way up here on my other screens that are bigger. I'm just on a small Mac right now.
Right. Okay, below the slider, do you want me to write anything like featured products or maybe top selling products, anything like that?
No. Simple design. 3, 2, logo to the next. Nice design airbrush on the side. Just a real quick paintbrush stroke with the cool color that I told you on either side. Bringing the container width tighter. So these are smaller. 3-2 stack. CB obviously is on the bottom. Same thing with this. Just that nice flare of paintbrush stroke with the color. And we should be good to go.
Okay. All right. Okay. Were you managed to integrate Stripe?
I have to set up the bank account. Choose a packet. 2420. Okay, you got that done. All right, this is fine as well.
So we were not having the actual weight, so we just took it from the website she's buying all these products from.
It's fine. Very smart.
Actually, they were not having these packs for 12 and 24, so it's just random weight over there.
Okay. All right. And then I'll email you. Okay. All right. So now you're getting in my idea, right? You're getting in my head. That's why I drew it out.
And I missed, the Stripe is ready, or do you want us to like fix it?
Well, the Stripe is ready. I just have to add a bank account in order to collect payments. Otherwise, it's going to sit in Stripe's account until she has a bank account to transfer it to.
Okay. So you have already connected that on the back end. Should we test it? With a
I'll give you the login. I'll give you the login to Stripe. It's super simple. You copy paste the API code, put it in the Stripe thing, done. I mean, it doesn't take more than a minute for you guys to do that. But the problem is I don't have the updated bank account. It's an old bank account. I've been asking her for 2 weeks for the new bank account. Finally, I have to email her mother who has it. It's at her office. I'll get it from her. Put the account number, bank name, verification, click yes, done.
Mm-hmm. That's okay. But I just need to test whether Stripe is working or not. So for that, I don't need the bank account in there.
No, I need to give you the logins, and I'll give those to you. I'll give those to you in an email.
Okay.
And we'll wrap this up. Yeah, just a cool bigger logo, just a cool clean logo that we have would be great. Nice little flare. And we should be good to go. I got a roll. I got 15 texts that just came in. So
Okay.
let me email you. And again, just setting this up really quickly. Your guys should be able to actually, if there's not that's not really a lot of work. It's just realigning, making containers smaller, putting a design on either side, changing the font and the color. You already have the new logo. You can place the logo. I mean, I'm sure you're gonna have to convert it, but whatever. It's a clean logo. it's just as clean as this one. I mean, you have this one, but it's smaller, right? That's what you were
Oh,
telling me.
that's right. Okay, so that logo is also having the brush strokes,
Yes.
but when you give it to a bigger, like you have it on the slider in a big size, it will look blurred because it's a brush stroke font.
Yeah. And can I open something to show you while we're sharing screens then?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to open this up. So if you go to the Dropbox, and I know you already know this, but what I'm
Yep.
saying, the EPS file is huge. Okay.
Just open and zoom it. Do you see this?
Yep. Yep. That's what we want. That's avant-garde. That's a paintbrush. That's what it should look
Okay.
like.
All right. Gotcha. So
Right.
she's aware that
And
it will
here's the
take the
white one.
background color with it.
Here's the white one. Do you see the white one? It's a joke, by the way.
Whoa. Okay.
But yeah, there's a white one in there too. So I mean, if you want to offset the white in the footer or something, you know what I mean? But then let's just concentrate and get this damn thing done. So yeah, we'll do a 3-2 drop, put the logo over here in black, fix the logo font so they're airbrushed, you know, like a nice paintbrush where, you know,
Gotcha.
like I would do on a drunken Friday night. And there you go.
All right. Okay. I will try to wrap this up by end of the day today. Okay.
All right, let me email you the Stripe accounts. Let me email you the shipping plugin I want to use. It's a new one, it's a free one. I think you already know what it is, Ship Easy, but I'll send it to you anyways because we have to have something in order to have connected to it in order to print a shipping label. We have to figure that out. So,
Gotcha.
but I
Okay.
have it's easy. It's a plugin. I'll send you an email what everything is. If it's cost me something, then I don't.
I don't think so. We need a plugin, but if we will do, I will let you know. Okay.
So we'll pay for this stuff, but you have to start paying. So.
Yep. And next thing is, are you working on your own website? It's on Vendessa right now.
I have tried. I think at this point we can